Today we're going to be looking at the Movo Vlog Kit V7. This is for smartphones. First thing we're going to look at here is the actual case. It is a hard case and very much portable and easy to take around. Looking at everything inside, so this is what we're given. I'm going to go ahead and piece it right here. But first we have the little flash that you could attach to your thing for extra lighting. Next we have the smartphone mount, or the smartphone grip. You could adjust it, and it also has like a cool little balancing thing right here too, which is really nice and very much convenient. Next we have the actual microphone, or the stereo mic. It's like a shotgun based mic. You can switch it between on and off right here. And yeah, next we have the microphone covers. You have the foam or the furry windscreen. So you definitely have options. So next up we have this extension mount as well, very useful and very good quality. And then we also have extras right here, such as a cleaning cloth. You have like an added sticker, and then just other cards. You have a little wire to attach for audio, and then you also have charger, so you could charge your stuff up, and then more wires. And then last but not least, we also have probably one of the more important things, but you have the Bluetooth remote right here, which is really useful and overall just really good product. This is a solid product and a solid setup to have if you're into vlogging, or if you want to get into stuff like that. It all gets carried in here, so you could keep it nice and organized, and it's just an all-in-one package, and I highly suggest getting it. Thank you guys so much for watching.